How to find who can see your profile settings on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find who can see your profile settings on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here. After that click settings and now click privacy center and now click here is it, who can see my Truecaller profile. Now you can make it like that, and you can make it all Truecaller users, and that's it. Then just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.